In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect to Minecraft server on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, on most versions of Minecraft Bedrock like PC or mobile, you are able to go over to the Servers tab and choose the Add Server button, where you can type out a custom IP, information about a server, save it into your favorites, and connect to it directly. However, for most people, this button is not available and they can only connect to the preset servers. So in this video, I'm going to showcase a method that essentially gives you the Add Server functionality back. And for this method, you don't need to change anything on your PlayStation 5. It is all going to be done through Minecraft directly. So for this, you will need to add a specific user. So go over to your friends list inside of Minecraft on the PlayStation 5. So once you choose friends, you should look for the server hub like this. As you can see, they have an Onion profile picture because it is developed by OnionCraft. So look for the server hub. Send this person a friend request. This isn't an actual person, it is essentially a bot that gives you access to the Add Server functionality. So when you send the friend request, they should accept you almost immediately. Once you have them added, if you go back into the Friends tab, you will actually see the option to connect to the realm. So this is what it's going to look like. Let me position it here for you. So when you go over to the Friends tab, you will see them online and you can connect into this realm. This is a server hub for Bedrock servers. When you load in, go towards the right and find this NPC here. Join any server. Once you interact with this player, you will find the option to add a server. Welcome to Bedrock Connect Hub, hosted by OnionCraft, so all credits goes to them. This will allow you to connect to any server. So choose this button, add new server, and now you can enter the IP here. So input the IP of the Bedrock server that you want to connect into, choose a port if needed, select the icon and submit. Now you will connect directly into the server of your choice. And before I end this video, guys, I want to highlight that when I was looking through the channel metrics the other day, I noticed that only 83% of you are subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the best solutions to your problem, just like in this video. So consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.